Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a 2016 Martin T12 shaper. First thing I'm going to do is go into the back menu here. And if we take a look at the clock, you're going to see this machine currently has 39 hours, 43 minutes, and 15 seconds of operation on it. Your menu, your main menu, your home is going to be on your top left. I'm going to pop the spindle cover. 1.25" spindle, 5.5 inches under the nut. I'm going to come in and I'm going to drop that spindle 2.5 inches. This light is going to flash. You're going to hit the white side of it. And that will drop your spindle the 2.5 inches I just set it at. And yes, you have to hold this button until it drops to the 2.5 inches. You can also jog the spindle, which is right here. It's right next to the program button. So that's power elevation. I'm gonna go ahead and start the machine. You're gonna hit your two green buttons together. Of course, it has Delta Y soft start. After your spindle soft start is over, you can turn your power feed on. It is a 0.56 kilowatt or 3/4 horsepower Wagoma. 4 rolls. It's in great shape. It does have the optional power feed support casting. This is a braking motor, so we're just gonna hit the stop button. It's gonna brake rather fast. Reverse is a little bit different. To hit reverse, you're gonna hit this yellow button, and you're gonna hit your two green buttons at the same time. And that is gonna reverse spindle rotation. Again, it's gonna brake rather fast with the spindle brake. Now you can flip this whole fence out of the way. It does have your rear support arm to do that. You have your front guard and hold down. It does have your Agner fence, and all of your fingers are here. And it's in good shape, of course, because this machine has under 40 hours of use on it. This machine was owned by an enthusiast. This was not a commercially used machine, and he is retired, so an older retired enthusiast. This machine is powered by a 5.5 kilowatt, 7.5 horsepower motor. There's your one-shot lube. This is your spindle wrench. The machine will not operate if that is not in place. This machine is also optioned with your right and left wings. Front material support that simply pulls out. Very, very low use machine. There are a couple scratches in the back corner here. Otherwise, if you take a look, it's as you would expect for 40 hours. Right down below here is the small tenoning table. It has never been mounted, so it is brand new. It came to us in the box. Do have the grease gun, wrench, and manuals. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.